Hi, my little friends. How are you feeling today? Today we will visit to garden. Are you ready for new learning? Subscribe our channel. Let's go! This is watering can. This is plant pot. This is shovel. This is gardening gloves. This is head shears. This is a trowel. This is a hoe. This is a garden fork. This is a rake. This is a spade. This is a spade. This is a sickle. This is a wheelbarrow. This is a ladder. Guys, subscribe our channel. We will post so interesting information for you. See you!